Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete duplicate photos on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the Photos app. On the Photos app, if you're using iOS 18, you want to scroll down the page until you get to the utility page. And on iOS 26, you want to select Collections. Then scroll down until you get to Utilities. Expand the Utilities. Under Utilities, locate and click on Duplicates. Then you should see all your duplicates photo on your iPhone. To delete all the duplicated photos, click on Select at top right. And then click on Select All at the top left. Now go ahead and click on the Delete button at the bottom right. Then go ahead and click on Continue. And hang on. Then select Delete X number of items. And then you are good to go. That is going to delete all duplicate photos on your iPhone. So this is basically how you can delete duplicate photos on iPhone iOS 26 and how you can delete duplicate photos on iPhone iOS 18. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.